The civil authorities have issued an evacuation immediate for Linn County, Oregon, beginning at 10:09 p.m., Friday, August 4th, and ending at 2:09 a.m., Saturday, August 5th. Wildfire alert from Linn County Sheriff's Office. Level 1: be ready for possible evacuation from areas east, northeast, and southeast of Mount Tom Drive neighborhood. Prepare to evacuate. Find resources at wildfire.gov. Actively if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. If you are experiencing a life safety issue, call 911. If you need assistance evacuating persons with special needs or animals and livestock, call 541-812-9212.